What'd you get? Ball, look above you. Look him.
Good shot.
Looky there.
Look at that big old car.
Connor, look at this, Connor. Hey. Yeah,
You
look
can
at
put the
it.
ball in the back.
Put the ball on the back of it, Connor.
Wow!
Connor, look it.
How's that working?
It's a horn.
Connor, look. Connor.
Nice about that.
No, that's good.
Huh?
You don't need.
You gotta shoot it in there.
How does this adjust?
Shoot! Yeah!
Oh! Good try.
Connor, you were getting in the car, Joe.
You got a cool gator.
Is the battery in there?
Yes, I'll do it.
Whoa!
What's this part for?
I'm not sure.
There's no direction?
Yeah, but they're not very good, just see.
Oh. Okay.
Shoot again. Oh!
Where's the net?
Right here, my hand.
Yeah!
Oh! He made it!
Good
Good job.
job.
Oh!
He's on fire.
Oh. Watch out, Grace. Go ahead. Shoot it again. Oh!
Oh!
Happy birthday, Connor.
Happy birthday.
Woo! Another one. He's on fire. Woo!
Another part.
Connor's 2-year-old birthday. Connor, say bye-bye. Cameron, he's already made like 5 baskets.